What is going on, everyone? It is a beautiful, not so beautiful day. It has been raining here for the last 4 or 5 days. What is going on, friends? We're back. It has been 4 days of rain, maybe 5. I don't know. It's felt like it's been raining forever. It's chilly, but today we are going to head to TMP, to Cayuga, Toronto Motorsports Park. They've got a test and tune for the backside of the track. Hopefully this rain's gonna blow through. Cayuga's like Immokalee, it's got its own weather system, so hopefully over there it's gonna be good. Yeah, we have a grudge race today off the ramps against Mike Batista. We've raced him a couple times. He's got a whole new setup this year, so I'm sure he's looking to get some of his money back. So we'll do that for fun. I think it's 500 or 1,000, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, currently I just got to take off my plate cover because now the police no longer pull you over. They have scanners on the roof, and if the scanner can't read your plate, then they pull you over. So we got pulled over the other day. The guy said he can't read my plate through my license plate cover, so I'm taking the cover off because I don't want any tickets. Yeah, it's a crazy system they have now. They no longer scan anything. All the cars have automated shit that pretty much pull you over as soon as they scan your plate. So they scan everyone's plates, and it's a great way. Between that and all the speed cameras we now have everywhere here, it costs us a lot of money. So good for them. Government's always making money, and we'll keep working to pay for them. I love it. All right, well, we've got a first round call out. I mean, I don't know if it's first round or what we call grudge race. Anyway, we are racing Mike Batista off the trailer for 1,000 today. Like I said before, there was a previous grudge race for 5K that was supposed to go down, but supposedly it wasn't negotiated that it was off the trailer.
Oh, nah, dog. Come on, man.
It was supposed to be later in the day or something after they got a test pass.
Ha! Gay!
I don't know. I don't really get it. In my eyes, normally, if you're calling someone out, it's first off the trailer kind of deal. So you both don't have any data on the surface, just like you would on the streets. So, that being said, we are heading to pack up the trailer now, grab the coffee, and yeah, we're gonna get loaded up here, head out that way, and then figure out what we're gonna do down that surface. I haven't been down there for over a year, so we'll have to shoot down, walk the surface quickly, and then decide on our tune-up and hope for the best. Either or, win or lose, it sounds like it's gonna be a good time.
Level low.
Let's hook this all up. Get ready to go here. Keep the trailer plugged in for now. Tie this in. Alright. Grab some ice out of our freezer. Load it in the trailer here. Alright, we should have everything now. We got the ice pack. We try to make ice at the shop here. It's a little bit cheaper. This week I've been slacking, so I only got 4 bags, so we're gonna have to buy a little more ice for that on the way down. And yeah, just make sure that we got the essentials. So we got the racing suit, got the laptop, fuel, and we got the truck. As long as we got those things, I think we'll be good for racing.
2,000 years later.
We've arrived.
We're in our element.
We have arrived at Toronto Motorsports Park. They've got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Road course stuff going on. They got CGR's test and tune. They got Strata, which used to hold all the car meets at La Paloma back in the day, but now I think all that's been canceled. So yeah, we've arrived here. We're gonna get set up. Weather's still shitty, but hopefully it changes soon. Maxwell's got his sweater on, so he's nice and warm. And yeah, we'll set up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Very cold. It's gonna take some time to warm up. It's only at 104. It's cold out today. Do a little brake check, see if we can make some boost out of it. We gotta let it warm up to 160 first. So we're here at the backside. It's pretty chilly out here today. As you can see, they've been testing a lot here, so there's a lot of rubber, more than I thought actually. I don't know what lane would be better off the trailer today for our Grudge Race, but I think both are equally got a ton of rubber. So we're gonna go back to the trailer and maybe put a little more in it. I don't know, it's a tough call because it's also very cold today, so the rubber could be deceiving. So we're gonna head back now to the trailer, finish getting everything sorted, and then head down here for racing. So after checking out the surface and seeing how much testing had been done there, I thought we might have been outgunned. So we went back to the trailer, reassessed the tune-up, fixed a couple spots where I think it could take a little more power, adjusted the suspension, and we headed to the starting line. It was time to put this plan in action.
leaking.
Oh, it blew something. You got oil pouring out of the bottom.
Oh yeah. Bottom end went.
Fuck, dude. What did you scramble it? Oh yeah, it's drifting out of the pan. It busted a rod through the pan.
Oh, he shows up. So?
Well, I guess the tune-up we picked was right. It wheelied like a motherfucker out of the gate, but set it down, and then after that, honestly, I kept pulling on him, and then sadly, we got to the back of the track there, and I saw liquid pouring out of his car as he came around me to turn around because I was going to get out and congratulate him. And it looks like, from looking underneath his car, that he ejected a couple rods out the bottom. There's a giant hole in the oil pan and shit's pouring out all over the road. So I told him, don't worry about the money for our grudge race here. I know how expensive it is to build motors, and I hope someone would do the same for me if I was in that situation. So we're gonna scrub the money, but the win's a win. Sinister pulls off the trailer once again. Sadly, Mike's gonna have to take another L from us. So hopefully he gets his motor back together soon, and we'll definitely run it back whenever he wants.
Reply to my man. Good job, boys.
All right, so we're back in the trailer, just going over the log here. This was our pass, not the cleanest pass by any means. We had a wheelie here, so we had to pedal it. And then it looks like we didn't get back into the full throttle until roughly 4.7 seconds. So I guess we got lucky on this one. Luckily this truck back half's pretty good, so we're gonna go out now and test on these QTPs for War in the Woods next weekend and see if it's gonna be worthwhile making the trip. Who says this isn't a street truck? We're cruising around.
Over Timmy's.
Go for a quick Tim's. So it looks like randomly the solenoids decided to open up fully and the truck hit boost cut and shut off all dome pressure as it saw 100 psi of dome pressure for a second. So that was a horrible run for sure. We definitely need to figure out what that problem is, because that could cost you a race 100%.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
And with that, we called it a night. Definitely need some more practice on the QTPs, but they're slowly coming around. So we'll keep chipping away at it, and hopefully we'll see you guys at War in the Woods.
Yeah, all newcomers. This is not a game. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, you feel me? This is life. Let's get it. We put blood, sweat, and tears into this. So look, I push that weight to get that dough, but I don't break cause I've been broke. If ain't no pain, then ain't no growth. To keep it 100, I came in to run it, and bet if I had to, I'd do it again. It ain't no race if I don't win. Yeah, in spite of the odds, I go get it like I'm a boss. If they step to me, we toss. Look how I done lost. And that's what keep me on my toes. Ain't no regular Joe, ain't no hanging the gloves on what's ahead, still ain't enough. Pushing kilos like it's weighted repetition, maximum reload. Look, I'm sick with it, legit right off the jump. 24/7 every month. When I say something, make the bass bump, but there ain't none and it can't come. Can't get no sleep when the competition doing the same. So I shed blood to show my pain. Hustle, hustle, hustle.